Okay, so a while back I made a video called how to rat someone's computer, but that method does not work anymore, as you can see from this comment I put, so I'm making the new video. So, everything in the beginning is the same up to the port forwarding, so I'm just going to play that video in this one, the beginning of it, and then we'll get to the next part. Before continuing on this video, make sure you have internet access to your router, and admin privileges on your computer. Okay, so let's start. So first, search CMD on your start menu, and then type ipconfig without any spaces, just like this. Next, you're gonna want to scroll up until you see these three right here. IPv4 and default gateway is what we need. You're gonna open a new text document by doing what I just did, or searching Notepad right here, right there. You're gonna open it and you're gonna put IPv4, and you're going to want to put what it says right here. So 192.168.0.12. And then for the next one, we're going to put gateway, and we're going to put what's right there. Gate 192.168.0.1. Okay. So next we can close this, and we're going to want to go on Google and search what my IP. And you're going to want to copy this. I'm going to have it blurred out, but you can see what it is, and you're going to put IP, you're going to put it right there. So next, you're going to want to copy the gate and go to your search bar in your browser and paste it. It's going to open up your admin panel for your router, and if you know your password, go ahead and input it, but most of you don't. So you're going to put your router's name, so mine's Hitron or Hitron, and you're going to put username and pass. And you're going to look through them until you find the username and pass that works, and if you don't end up finding it, it will be on the back of your router, 99% of the time. My modem, to show you that on the back, it shows the username and password when you go online, and the web address, just in case the one I told you is wrong. Now that I have your username and password, you're going to want to log in. And you're going to be placed on an admin panel. So every UI is different for every freaking manufacturer. So on mine, I go to basic and I go to port forwarding. On yours, it might be completely different. It might just be a straight list somewhere. So you're just going to keep looking until you find port forwarding. You can easily find it by pressing Control F and search port forwarding until you find it. Not triggering, look for port forwarding. Once you're on port forwarding, you're going to look for somewhere that says add rule or add new rule, something like that. Sure, I have it right here. Some people have it at the top, and it's just a input you can put. So you're going to want to click add rule. And under here, you don't want to change it. Application name, name it whatever you want. I'm going to make it called YouTube vid. There's no spaces. And under protocol, mine is TCP UDP. Yours will either be TCP UDP or both. It will either say that or it'll say both. So public port range, for yours it might say input, import, or internal. And it also probably won't be a range, it'll just be a single one. And you're going to input any 4-digit number. So I'm just going to put 4567. And same for range, but yours won't have a range. And then same for private, yours might say external, output, or export. So I'm going to put same thing, 4567, both things. So they both should be the same. It'll just say something port, it won't say the range most likely, and you're just going to make them both the same. For local IP address, you're going to want to put in the text document that first one, the IPv4. And for yours, it might just show up as 0.0, and you're going to have to put the last part, so you're just going to put the last part right there, so 0.12. And then leave that the same, and rule status obviously on. Yours might not have these two. You're going to want to click apply, and you're going to want to click save. And once it finishes saving, we can continue. I'm going to search can you see me? And go on this one right here, it's in the description, and you're going to want to put the port number, which was 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're gonna want to click check. And if it's open, you did it right. If it's closed, rewatch the video and rewatch the port forwarding part and see if it works. Okay, so the next part is to go to noip.com, this link right here, and then sign up. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. Once you've logged in, go ahead and click No IP up here, and it'll bring you back to the main menu, and click Manage Domains. Over here, go ahead and click Hosts and Redirects. Okay, now that you're here, click Add a Host. For host name, put whatever you want. It can be anything, and for the domain, put, where is it? There, myftb.biz. Okay, so after that, just go ahead and click Add Host. So I already have one, so I'm going to remove that, the one that I just made, and use the one I already made. So go ahead and copy this, and then open up NanoCore, which you don't have downloaded yet. So go to the next link in the description, right here. Turn off your ad blocker, because it won't work. And click skip ad, and then click download now. You need WinRAR, so just extract it to your desktop. I'm just gonna, oh god. So yeah, just extract it to your desktop. So I have it right here. Open it. There you go, and click nanocore.exe. In here, go to Network, and go to Port Manager. It'll be right here. Click Add Port, and put the port that you put, and add it. I already have 1604. Next, go to Builder Settings, and, sorry, go to Network, oh, yep, it's right here, and go to DNS Server, oh, there we go, it's right here, sorry, Primary Connection Host, go ahead and put the thing you just copied, and that's it. Then you can just change the regular settings you like, read through them, and then at the end, click Compile. Save it to your desktop, and you now have a file that you can give, and it's a RAT, and it'll show up in your connection clients right here. I'm not going to show you how to use NanoCore, I'm just going to show you how to set up the RAT. There you go. That's the updated video. So sorry about like my voice and everything in that video. It's just, it was 1:30 a.m. and I was really tired. I just wanted to get the video out there. I'm editing it quick and then going to bed. So that was my updated video. Unless something changes, I won't be uploading anything about rats anymore.